Alright guys, welcome back. Today we're going to do a cool video on the Optimum Hyper Foam No Rinse. Now this has been getting a bad name kind of from some of the reviewers. I haven't tried it yet, so I don't know. But this is Hyper Foam. So they're stating foam on there. And my deal is with the foam ones, you've got stuff like Optimum, you've got American Detailer Garage Fusion, one from 3D, foaming waterless, what are they called? OP, Rinseless foams, Fine Lab foams, McKee's 37 V2 has a little bit of foam in it. DIY Details has a lot of foam. So a lot of these ones foam, and they don't really list it. This one happens to list it. But my take on the foam is I don't really want to foam doing a waterless or rinseless because it just sits on there and makes a lot of mess. The foam, if you want to spray it on there, is for breaking up the debris. And then you've got to kind of rinse that off, and then you go about your rinseless wash or your waterless wash. But if you foam it and you start wiping the foam, of course you're going to have a mess. But nonetheless, people are saying, oh, because this doesn't foam as much as Fine Lab. Well, we know Fine Lab is like the ultimate in cleaning and foaming and dilution abilities, to the point where, and I'm just talking about the V1 that I have, it would even streak on you, Fine Lab. So, you know, you got to really know how to dilute that. But let's take this. I got a car down the street here that's really dirty. Not the normal black car there. We got another one. It doesn't even work. It's down the street. All these cars don't work on my street. We're going to take it down, and they said it's cool if I push the cart. I'm going to take one of my Keys Carolina cart here. I'm going to push it all the way down the street for you guys. I'm doing this for you guys. And we're going to see how good this really works. It's not about the foam, guys. It's about how good this works as a rinseless wash. If you want to complain, oh, well, look at it, says foam on there. It does, but how good is it rinseless wash? So let's find out. Let's do some diluting and get everything ready. All right, for the car wash, it says 1 ounce to 2 gallons. Here's a ½ ounce. I'm going to put it in the red bucket. This stuff smells like cough medicine. Yeah, it's already giving me a little bit of foamage there. No big deal. This one I'm just taking for extra water in case I need it. All right, this is weird. It's Foam Cannon Foam Sprayer, 2 ounces into 32 ounces. I'm going to use 1 ounce into 16 ounces for my foam sprayer. All right, I got 30 mils there. You can see it. There's 20, and in the middle line is 30. There's 40 there. So 30. We'll put it in one of these. We'll use the foaming sprayer. One is the foaming sprayer. Let's put that one here. This says waterless wash, 8 ounces into 1 gallon. And then we're going to cut that in half again because we only got 16 ounces in there, which is going to be 1 ounce. So they both have actually 1 ounce. All right, guys, I'm all set up. I got my detailing cart. I got some towels. I got the product. I got an extra gallon of water. I got 2 hand pump sprayers. And I got my cart that I'm able to push this down the block. So let's go. Guys, as we start this video, I'm going to let you know I got the Optimum Opti Hyper Foam No Rinse over at Amazon. The IK foamers and sprayers I'm using are from AutoForge. Detailing cart from AutoForge.net. We got Suds Buds towel here. We got some regular, these are those Korean plush type towels. And this is the one from the Rag Company. What the heck, I always forget the name of it, but it does great on windows. So that's what I'm using today. Easy. I'm going way down there to that yellow Honda. All right, guys, so I'm here. I'm over at the neighbor's car. I'll give you a quick run around. It doesn't drive, and it's just sitting here. So we're doing rinseless washes with really dirty cars. So this is a testament to how good rinseless washing is.
Good?
Yeah, I'm good, man. All right, guys, so this is the vehicle here. You can see we got lots of dirt and grime on there, and we're just gonna clean it up. We got some nice bird bombs going on here. All right, so let's use the foaming sprayer first. We're going to spray it on and let it sit a little bit. Let's see how it does with the bird bombs. All right, now I'm going to grab the regular sprayer and let's put it on the other bird bomb. Just do like side by sides. It's already knocking it off, so this stuff's pretty powerful. Here's the bird bomb sitting here. Now these guys were crying because it doesn't foam, and I know it says hyper foam, but I don't really want it to foam. That's about as much foam as I want. That's about as much foam as I want right there. It's gonna make a mess. If not, I'll have all this foam everywhere. Let's get some towels. We'll put them in the rinseless solution. Let me get some more down here. I got 2 towels sitting in there. All right, guys, so we got the rinseless solution here. We're using dilutions on the bottle. This car is extremely dirty. The lubrication feels good. Looks pretty clean. Let's go over it with one more side. Make sure it's all clean. Suds Buds drying towel. I don't know about you guys, but that was pretty easy. It actually feels pretty good. I mean, the car needs clay and stuff. Let's look at the color. I'll turn the camera around. I'd say that cleans it pretty good. Look at the difference here. All right, so while we're waiting for that to loosen up a little, I'm going to rehydrate my towel here. This is Mark the car washer. So now we're ready to go. All right, now Craig doesn't want to be on camera there, but he just said, do you know how hard I have to scrub sometimes to wash this car? Now, by looking at Craig, he ain't scrubbed in a while, but that's pretty. What do you think, Craig? I'm not putting you on. Just what are your thoughts over there?
Good. It looks real good.
Does that look pretty easy or what?
Simple.
Simple.
Even I can do it.
Yeah, yeah, right? Anyone can do it. Let's keep going. All right, guys, so let's start off with the window here. These windows are shot. I mean, super, super dried, caked on rain, dirt. And I'm just using the regular pre-spray, spraying it on, getting my used rinseless wash towel and cleaning them up, doing both sides like that, and then I'll dry it. Everything's coming off real good. This stuff cleans very well. Not streaky, really. For me, it's a little hard to see what's on the inside versus the outside. This has caked on water spots too. But in my opinion, this was no worse or no better than a lot of other rinseless washes for windows. I think it did just fine. Here we're doing the regular pre-spray, not the foam. And I like it actually with the regular pre-spray. I don't recommend really needing or using the foam. That's more if you like the way it looks and kind of just having fun with it. But I'll show you right now what the foam looks like and how it works. So you can see a great 50-50 shot right here, just on the right to left side. Now let's use the foam on the left side, foam it up. You know, I know a lot of people say it doesn't foam like the other ones, but this is about as much foam as you want. You want it nice to get on there, loosen up, run down the car, bring the debris off the car as it runs down. You don't want shaving cream foam. That just makes a mess. This is about as foamy as you want it. It's actually perfect. They've done a great job with this, guys. Don't get it confused. Don't get it twisted. This product works, and it works well. And you can see right here, I'm using the same towel. All I do is try to, if it was my car, I would try to really flip sides and make sure it was really clean because this was so dirty. But you dry it, there's no mess on the floor. We're doing good. Perfect. All right, guys, that's the end of it. Car came out good. I noticed a little bit if it dries, it has a white residue, white streaking to it, but it wipes right off with the towel. The car looks good. Oh, I'll show you. Here's what the streak looks like. Can you see that there? But it wipes right off with the towel. So here's the car. Really does a great job cleaning. But Craig, what do you think about that product? Because a lot of people, it's a 50-50 out there. A lot of people are booing it. How did you feel about it?
I mean, simple, easy, less water, or actually no water really.
Car looks good, right?
The car looks amazing. Compared.
I mean, I walked over here with the cart and I told you, hey, can I wash your car? You know, and you're like, yeah. And look at it. I mean,
no, it's amazing. Yeah, it took off all the dirt.
Yeah,
like months of dirt.
10 minutes. 10 minutes. So, would you purchase that product?
I just might actually. I probably might just get it from him.
Right on. All right, guys. Well, that says it all. That's what you need to know. You know, this is a confession from a normal dude. So we'll go back and talk about this at my house. That's pretty funny. Now he wants to buy some. I just filled him up with some DIY. I'll give it to him and let him get his feet wet. And if he wants to buy more, I'll send him to a website and let him get over there at Auto Forge. You know how we do it. All right, guys. So we're all done. I'm going to tell you, I actually really like the Optimum Hyper Foam. I don't care that it doesn't hyper foam. You know, if that's why you're buying it, then maybe you care about that. But if you want a lot of foam, go buy the soap. Use the P&S soap and use that for your rinseless wash. That works for that. But why do you want all that mess with all the foam? I don't get it. This has just enough foam, just like the DIY, just like the McKee's, probably just like Eddie's detail companies. It's just enough that it sits there and breaks down the debris. And then you rinse it and do your rinseless wash. You know what I mean? If you got a lot of foam, you gotta rinse it. So, or a lot of dirt on there, you should rinse it first. This worked really well. The car looked clean. It did a good job. The only thing I could see was that it left a little bit of white residue, you know, behind the door handles or wherever it drips at. But that came off real easy. The smell is good. The dilutions, not too bad. Not my favorite. But better than some other products, I guess. So no problem. You guys try it out. I think I ordered that 32-ounce bottle for $21 on Amazon. That's pretty good. Guys, let me know what you think in the description or in the comments below. Have you guys tried this? Do you need to have foam? If you want foam, what do you do with it? Let me know. I liked it. Here's a little extra information. For those of you that like using these type sponges, they're okay. But we did that multiple towel method in here today, and this water is still clean. I can do another car out of here. I can make spray bottles, pre-sprays. I can make spray bottles for interior cleaning. This is clean. If you had this in a bucket with these sponges after doing that car, it would be unusable. No way, that water would be so dirty. So that's why I like this bucket, multiple towels method. It's cleaner, less scratches, guys, less dirt on the car. It is what it is. It's the way it is. I don't care. Say what you want. It's not going to happen. These just don't work as good.